This is a used 2013 Toyota 4Runner. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 15,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include hill start assist, push-button start, leather seats, a home-link system, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, trailer hitch, dual temperature controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors.
Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider.
Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Billy Howell Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1805 Atlanta Highway, Cumming, Georgia 30040.